Hi, I'm Marysol. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do this unboxing. This is what's coming out. Well, a few things that will be coming out this week from the Daily Grinds new release. Well, let's open up my box here. It's a little big, so that's why it's like all in the camera. It's a pretty big box. But I'm super excited for this and I can't wait to show you. So I'm going to put it to the side and just grab the stuff. It came in so well packaged. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, like it's so big it doesn't even fit in camera. So maybe I'll leave this for last. Okay, I'm going to put it to the side. You guys probably already know what it is. I am going to take it out the plastic before I reveal it and just set it to the side. And we'll look at the other things that I did get. So I am excited for a lot of the stuff that's coming out. However, this is everything that I just picked up because it was what was available. There's just so much in this collection, but I did get the Doodle line markers because I thought this would be fun to use and we can swatch them out here. Now I know they're going to have some other things that I still don't have because at the time that I was looking at this stuff, it wasn't available as of yet, and so I just grabbed whatever I liked that I thought would be cute to have. We're going to use this page, this hello today, and we're going to look. So this does like a swirly line, and let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, look at how cute. Okay, let's see if I can do a straight line though. Okay, so you can do a straight line. It might take a little bit of practice, but that is cute. This is this pink color. I wish they had the colors there, but I mean, why really? Then you have this one. Okay. I'm not even sure if that's, oh, okay. I had it backwards. So let's see. Oh, okay. You need there's a little bit of pressure, at least for this one. Let's see. I did these all backwards. Now that they're backwards. Okay. I want to make sure that I have them in the right. Oh, look at the hearts. Okay. I put a little bit of more pressure on that one. This one is just a dotted line. I do this a lot in my boxes, so that's cute. Okay. This is going to take some practice, I am going to say, because I'm not used to. Oh, look at how cute. But yeah, so with the softer touch, you can get a straighter line. Then let's see the yellow. This is another dotted line. I wonder if this one's shorter because that one was really long. Let's see. Well, I don't know. Okay. The line ones are not really working for me well. Let's see this one. Okay. Okay, this one worked a little better. Just I have to go with a lighter touch. So maybe it's just more of getting used to it, I guess. Maybe getting used to it, but really cool. Let's see the orange. This is another swirly line. So oh, look at how cute. Now that one was really smooth to do. The orange was smooth. I found the pink one to be smooth too. This is a star. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Let me see. I'm gonna see the purple one because I did use like really hard on the purple one. Yeah, if you just do a nice, easy, like soft imprint, that'll work. But some of them, okay. I think I'm just, maybe if I sideways, would it be better if I do this? I think it is better. Oh yeah. If you use it to the side, I think it'll work. So I'm just doing this now to see. Let's do this and see. Yeah, I'm doing a light touch and I'm not sure it's working. Oh, that one looks, that line looked a lot better. And then let's see this one. This one was cool too. Oh yeah. Yeah, all right. So this is going to be really cool to try out. I like these. I like these a lot. This is really cool. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but I think I had fun doing this on the page. So let's put these to the side. Now, this will be $7.99 this pack. So very affordable. If I will put some pictures here so you can see. So here are the photos so you can see an idea of what the collection has. Let's start with the travel size stencils, and these go for $5.99. Then you have the full size stencil that go for $7.99, and they will have bundles. Here are the bookmarks that will also be in bundle but will go for $3.99. And this is the dual tip marker set. It's a set of 60 for $37.99. Then we go into the different inserts. They have the social media insert and the detox dopamine inserts. These will range from $19.97 to $39.97, and they will also have bundles available. Then you have the different notepads that will range from $17.99, and they will have a bundle for $27.99. Now, these are the notepad covers that will range from $27.99. Now, I do believe there'll be a bundle of this, but I'm not sure yet what the bundle is going to be, but honestly, they're just so beautiful. Now we have the backpacks, and these backpacks are just beautiful. I can't wait to show you the one I got, which is the amber wood, but we have the Scarlet Spell, the Crescent Bloom, and the Willow Mist. And the price point for this is $67.99, and I think they are amazing. I am a sucker for amber wood, which is why I got these two bookmarks. These are bookmarks. And so this is the amber wood, but you're going to get Scarlet Spell, Willow Mist, and Crescent Bloom. And they're all sets of two, just like this one, for $3.99. We are going to now look at the bag. Now, again, I am a sucker for amber wood, which is why I picked this one. And I am going to get the cover just because I want it to all match. But look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. I love it. I'm just going to make some room here for my things. And we're going to take this bag out because I am just so excited for it. Oh my god, look at this. Okay. Oh my god. This is beautiful. It's spectacular. Oh, all right. Comes with a little fluff. I like that. And then let me put this to the side. We are going to open up this beauty, but first let's check it out. So this is what it looks in the front. You get kind of the daily grind style, and the button to the fastener to open it up. You get some loops, right? To loop your strap to this, but you could wear it on here or you can loop it around for it to be a backpack. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with this keychain already, or you can just use it as a briefcase because you can just pick it up like that. So that's nice. They have all the colors, well, 4 different colors. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Oh my God, this is heaven. I'm about to knock some stuff down. So let me just do this. There. And look at the zipper. Okay, so here, yep, you get 2 straps. So let's check how that works. So you get this a front pocket where you can put, you know, phone, keys, pens, probably your iPad here or wallet. Then you get the inside. You could definitely put your planner in here, your laptop. I'm going to close my laptop and put it in so you can get an idea. I was just using it for the price, but I'm lucky because I do have another one of these that match this beautifully. But here it is. I'm putting my MacBook Pro in there, and let me get my planners that are hiding. So if you have your planners, you can definitely, and this is, I have a full size and travel size. This is great. Look, zips up beautifully. You can put that in there, and then, ooh, sorry, I just, hopefully it's straight because I knocked everything out with, all right, let's do that. Okay. So you can put it in here. You could probably also put a pencil pouch, and voila, it fits. It fits so beautifully. So beautifully. All right. Love the bags. All right, now this is the tricky part. I wonder, because I'm thinking, yeah, it might go like this. So you could use the strap like this, or you can use it like, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, I tested it out, and this is how it goes. It took me a minute to figure this out, but I found it. All right, so you're just gonna loop it behind, and then you're gonna stretch it out to however you want it. But you can use it as a backpack, just like this, right? Or because you get another strap, you can put these on like this. You can put these on like this, like so. So I mean, I love it that she has included it too. So it could be a strap on, or you can just like a briefcase. So a lot of versatility with this bag. I am in love. I actually have, I just grabbed it. I think it matches. Yep. Because this is the other color I have for my laptop. So I'm glad that I have a different set. I am going to change it up because I want it all to match when I go out. But yeah, I think this is great. Okay, guys, after going through the internet and checking this out, I realized that the correct way in using this as a backpack is the following. So the reason why it comes with 2 strap is because you're going to put 1 strap on this side and then the other one over here. And let's put this one here. And then you have the other one on this side. So that's why it comes with 2. I left the other clip on because honestly, I would have used it like that and been fine. But of course, this looks a lot more professional than how I had it before. So don't come at me at the comments because obviously I didn't know, but I did, again, research it and figured out that this is the correct way in using it as a backpack. So now you know. Stay tuned. I'm going to bring all the stuff I received from the Daily Grind from the Academia Archive collection. Just bring it all back in. All right. All right. So this is everything that I received from the Daily Grind. Definitely picking up a couple of more things during the release. This is a preview of the things that you are going to see. So remember, I have an affiliate link with the Daily Grind, and I will have it in the description below, including all the information that I have already shared here with you so you don't get confused. And yeah, if you are going to purchase, please remember to use my affiliate link and discount code Marysol. Again, everything will be in the description box. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.